how to use TikTok Shop Compare Prices feature. If that option is available on your region or the app version, you can simply open the TikTok application, and inside the TikTok shop you'll be able to directly see an option called multiple listing for the same item. You'd be able to compare your prices over there, shipping costs, seller's rating and reviews there as well. However, this option is rarely available in many countries, and if it is not available, you have to do it manually. You can simply search for any kinds of product on your search bar over here, and by doing so you'd be able to see all kinds of product over here. You'd be able to find similar product as well by doing something like this, and here you'd be able to compare all of the prices on different users over here. And if you find any kinds of reasonable price, you'd be able to contact the user over there, and you'd be able to make your purchase as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.